His Excellency President Salva Kiir Mayardit is a man of peace. In 2016, when we were in J1, the fight that had happened in J1 in 2016, if it was not because of Salva Kiir Mayardit, I would not be here now. I would have been a dead person. Salva protected us, including Young Machar, including Dobram, who is now in prison. But Young Warren, it has nothing to do with Noah and Dinka. No. White Army is a criminal organization. We will deal with them, only them, not the community. And I have been engaging people in the diaspora. They have been telling me, Ezekiel, why are you bombing our people? There is only one president of the Republic, Salva Kiir Mayardit. And he has to deploy his army in all the corners of the Republic of South Sudan to protect the territorial integrity of this republic. There is no exception. We are going to Burabia, we are going to Jingmir, we are going to Akobo, we are going everywhere. And
my little responder, Lol Gatkouth. Chagwalong. Raji shalat chakeling konweri ten chada bala nweri ka beneli wala nweri take me sha kola lar chalar wonene lep part medung tit but lep dere le lar ka de tiglar de lar won nyan tor point de lar Lol Gatkouth chiro de nak raji shalat ka togdo ko gwa ma chobi ko tanwer ka population would a lar ka tok du jina wone ne bene ye book everywhere. Mela lar ke brar yet ke sham, you will eat your own word. Riete lat pan ka you will eat your own word sooner or later. I don't know what drove you, whether it was a fear, ko dalika jang, ke you begging them indirectly, go by your life by spare. When it's all said and done, more ko because you use Lola Jin traitor. Even the Dinka, if they are smart enough, they shouldn't trust you that much. You are a traitor. Because if a man can go to that length to sell his people out, even the people that are using you currently will not have trust in you. Because the minute you find a better source, you will leave that Dinka government of Salva Kiir before a blink of an eye. You're not a man that could be trusted. I feel sorry when we petitioned for you when you got arrested in 2013. I really feel sorry. But it is clear that but I'm going to tell you one thing. Your children will suffer for this. And so is the rest of your family. Your brother did a video a month ago. And it was clear where his frustration was coming from. So you will regret the day she decide like you don't have common sense. Lol Gatkouth. If you love John so much, how come Jane? What a shame. Wouldn't me dean Michi Jidi right Dwalamanan. Michang Nagajidi Moonthing, Miching you can go Jagajang, but getting Nagdi Moonthing. Salva Kiir is not a legit government, he's a terrorist. So is his son-in-law. And Nuer are not criminal, they are protecting themselves. You are the criminal. You are the traitor. You can sell anyone, including your mama. You have no limit, Lol Gatkouth. The legit limit as to who you can sell. A man who just betrayed his sick wife. She died unhappy because of you. Point to take a shinton one to Jelton. And you will deal with the karma sooner or later. Ka shinton chilad we mourn, Lol Gatkouth. Because God knew that I nang mutika titin chaman chelar, Ishanga bam, Shabam, Bika, Kokajate, Imishia Kuma America, Mahagade, Yapel Kuma America, de Mahagadi, Kuma America, a criminal government, Michigan government South Sudan. Government South Sudan is run by criminal. killers, serial killer that is, psychopath. That's who run the government of South Sudan. You cannot compare it to the Western world government. For your information, tell Nueri Tishiwo Tichakuma Wamak. It was your government, your terrorist government, that mistreating Nueri in their own land and hoarding their own resources for themselves. And they said they had enough. And they kicked your damn government out. Shame on you, Lol Gatkouth. Yeah. Your government troop, including your Uganda, got their ass kicked in my young. You guys gonna beg for your life soon. Trust me. The blood of Nuer, if you have a hand in it like you spit it out in your own mouth. I will be your bomb everywhere. Lol Gatkouth. She put. She apologic. She apologic. Menjilat apologic. And your children will suffer for this. So I hope we can move Rejani or somewhere else in the East Africa. They're never gonna come to Nueri again. Because tell her I may be a parwaja rajichilat. Mite Ramela criminal, la criminal. Ramen now without a shame, who right and she could dog Jordan, she believes soon can heart attack. Take a legend. She apologize along Lol Gatkouth. But Queen wanted to tell her I'm a quid. Tell her I'm a queen wanted to know one by the way I and Paul get she man, but go she do up right now by Yukupal with everything we got. So I hope Young know that they are like feeding the rat. Because you can't be trusted. And I can't wait for the day they beheaded you in that palace of yours. Useless.